Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do an unboxing. It's a Chanel unboxing. I recently bought Dior bag, my ABC Dior bag. I don't know if you haven't seen my previous videos. I mentioned this. I bought a Dior ABC bag in small because I wanted a black bag with silver hardware, because I have a hard time kind of like wearing these that is kind of like more cool tones or more like into the silver tones, and all my bags are black with gold. So yeah, I had a hard time, so I was looking for a black bag with silver hardware. So I bought the Dior ABC, and I had issues because it had the handles were peeling. So I returned that one, and I had just such a bad experience that I didn't want to buy another Dior anymore. I'm like, and it's not about the lambskin, because I have the Chanel 19 in lambskin. I have the Louis Vuitton Cousin in lambskin, and those are not delicate, or I don't think they are, but I don't think they're like, don't even look at me. So I felt that way with the Dior one. So I decided not to buy another Dior. But I wanted still a black bag with silver hardware. So I was leaning into the Chanel 19 and then the trendy CC. And I was like, which one? I don't know which one I like. I don't know which one. I saw so many videos of the Chanel 19, and I bought my white one. It's a small. And I'm like, if I buy the Chanel 19, it will be the medium large size, because the small one was too small for all my I don't know, my basic things, or the things I normally carry. So I wanted the medium large size. I'm like, but the trendy CC, like, it kind of looks very, like, it looks nicer. The Chanel 19 is kind of like laid back, like more like carefree, whatever. And the the trendy CC, I can actually wear it like at night for a date night, and I'm dressed up in a with makeup and heels and what I normally wouldn't wear on a daily basis. So I started looking at videos and videos and videos, and then I started looking at more videos of other Chanel bags, and I went to my Neiman Marcus, where there's the only Chanel bag there. I tried the Chanel 19 and this other bag at the same time, and I'm like, oh my god, I want it now. So I bought it, and I haven't opened it. I just got it, so let's open it. So it's still like, they told me we have to wrap it, and I'm like, wrap it and make it beautiful, make it look pretty, like. So I'm just gonna, the flower fell. I feel like I can wear the flower here. I'm super excited because I feel that it's very my style. Get ready to see it. This is it. The Chanel boy bag with, is it ruthenium? I think, I don't know. I just call it silver. But this is the large, and it's caviar. I wanted caviar. I didn't want to have anything that had lambskin anymore. So I went with caviar. It's not as shiny as it looks in the camera, probably because of the light. In person, it's not super shiny, to be honest. I don't know if I put something, because they had some at the Chanel boutique that were super shiny. And I'm like, why is mine not shiny? Like, why is it so matte? So I don't know if they put a conditioner or something for the leather to look shiny, or it's just the leather. But this is it. I love that it's very structured. And also, I compared it with the Chanel 19 medium large. And the chain, the strap was very short. The Chanel 19 was like here in my ribs. And the small one it hits on my hips perfectly. So I'm like, no, I need bigger, but I also need longer. So this is not super long. Like, I wish it was a little bit longer to wear crossbody. I don't love it. I don't love how it looks crossbody on me, maybe because I have big hips. I don't know. But this is it. Like, it's super simple. It doesn't have anything. But I feel like I needed something like this. Something in this color. And my essay checked everything. She said everything in this one, because they had two. So she checked them both, and she like, I feel like this one is better. This kind of like is perfect everywhere. So yeah, let's go with that one. So this is it. Let me show you how it looks on me. I'm 5'7". So this is how it looks on, like that. It does slide a little bit, but I'm assuming once I put stuff, it will give it a weight, so it will kind of like be more in my shoulder. But this, I love it this way. And then I have a crossbody like this. I wish it was a little bit lower, but it's not super bad. Like, I wish it was kind of like here. I don't wear them here. I don't wear them in the back. I wear them in my hips. Sorry, that's my alarm. Every time someone opens the door, it makes that noise. So this is it. And then you can also wear it shorter on the shoulder. I haven't removed this, but and then they told me that I can put it like that. If I want just the chain, I can wear it like this too. I love it how it looks like this. I kind of want to hide this so you don't have to, so you can actually see the bag on its own. Yeah, so I saw videos that it does get stuck a little bit there, but yeah. And then you have to be playing with the chain, because it's so thick. Like, it starts moving around. And but yeah, I love that I can wear it a few different ways. I love that. You can wear it like this, and then like this on the shoulder, like this crossbody, and then double, and then just like that. I didn't know all of this until my essay told me. But this is the large one, and right now it retails for $7,000, which is a lot. But the Dior was $6,000 anyway. So, and this is caviar. I feel that caviar is way more resistant to scratches than the lambskin. But yeah, I'm not sure what are the measurements of this, to be honest. But yeah, it's the Chanel large boy bag with ruthenium. I didn't know. But this was a quick unboxing. I do wanna wear it for a while so I can actually give a review on it, because I don't know anything about the Chanel bag. This is the first time. I mean, I saw it, and just like the Chanel 19, I never liked it until now. Like, it took me a lot of years to like that bag, and now it's so pretty. Like, I really love it. It's not the classic Chanel bag, but I think it's part of the classic bags, which I honestly don't know what it means, but maybe that is just gonna be out for a while. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and to tell you a little bit of why I didn't go back to buying the Dior, my ABC Dior bag, because I was just so disappointed in their quality and their lambskin that I didn't want to go through that again. So I really wanted caviar or something nicer like the trendy CC. But I went for the Chanel boy bag. But yeah, that's it. It was just a very quick video. I'll do a review once I use it and I give you pros and cons and what I hate and what I love. And wear and tear and what fits and all of that. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.